Well, there was a dramatic rescue at sea Thursday after a cruise ship passenger went overboard hours earlier. Take a look at this video just released. It shows the moment the Coast Guard hoisted the unidentified man from the Gulf of Mexico. Now, the man's sister said he left a bar on the Carnival Valor late Wednesday and headed for the restroom. When he didn't turn up the next day, she reported him missing. The Coast Guard found him hours later in the water alive. He was flown to a New Orleans hospital and is in stable condition.
All right, Roger, hold. And swimmer's at our 3 o'clock. Trim, swimmer in the water. Swimmer's in the water. With your spotlight. Helicopter, Coast Guard helicopter. Right 10. Right 5. Helicopter, easy right. Clear from the Coast Guard helicopter, please stand by. Alright. Back to right 5. And hold. And hold. And swimmer. Hover and left, just clear the water. Third hold position, remove back left. Back and left. Roger, back and left. Roger. Halfway up, so I was coming out your 3 block. I got the swimmer in sight. And please come in. Roger. Preparing to take the load. Taking the load. Swimmer's clear of the water. Clear to back to left.
I'll be honest with you, a 17-year career, this case is unlike anything I've been a part of. So, I think it kind of blows the normalcy out of the water here. And really just shows the will to live is something that you need to account for in every search and rescue case. This is, like I said, one of the absolute longest that I've heard about, and just one of those Thanksgiving miracles.